Welcome back to Baking with Zach. Today we're gonna make stuffed chocolate chip cookies. And we're gonna stuff them with double stuffed Oreos. So what you're gonna need, you can either make chocolate chip cookie dough from scratch or buy some prepackaged. Today we're gonna use a prepackaged. Some scissors, open it up. And what we're gonna do is there is about 12 big chocolate chip cookie pieces. We're gonna take some Oreos. We're gonna take the chocolate chip square, gonna flatten it, mold it around the cookie. Now what you want to do with this is use one on each side. One cookie on each side of the Oreo. So you'll need about 6 Oreos. I'm gonna put it right there. Now, you may need just to put 3 on a pan because these are big cookies. Make sure you flatten it, put it in, mold it around, make sure you get it nice and good. If you accidentally break the Oreo a little bit, it's not a big deal because it will seal inside the big cookie. So you like that, nice big, make sure you seal the sides and it looks like one giant ball. You're gonna wanna put the oven at 375. We're gonna cook these about 10 to 15 minutes to start, and then we may add time. So I'm gonna start it at 10 minutes, check it. If it needs a little more time, we're gonna add some more time. Because these are double cookie dough on each side, so these will take a bit longer to cook. Since they're big cookies, like I said, you'll need to put just 3 on a pan. Because I have smaller pans. If you have a bigger pan, you could put them all in one pan. These are a good, I would call it fair quality, like what you would see at a fair. Because you see some bizarre stuff at fairs. Put it around like usual. And there we go. And what we're going to do again is put the Oreo inside again, and another Oreo inside, or one Oreo, 2 chocolate chip cookie doughs on both sides, 1 Oreo on the middle, and then you're gonna need, so this makes a total of 6 cookies. Just let you know, there's basically like 3 total types of cookies together. So they're a good big snack. And almost there. And now we're gonna want to put them in the oven at 375 degrees. We're gonna start them for 10 minutes, and they may need 2 to 5 more minutes extra. So I'll see you when they're done. We took them out of the oven. They took about 15 minutes to get done. Here is the cookie with the Oreo in it. See, look how big that is. And see, there's a little mound on top. That's where the Oreo is. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next.